Good evening. This is a tutorial on how to use the railway management system. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to this following link. This is our website. This is the homepage. It contains the news, the announcements. This is the update of our virtual company led by Trevor Phillips. This is the footer. You can listen to the background music by clicking on the play button. Next is the About page. This page is about our CEO and our development team. Also the location of our school. Nothing much in this page. Let's move on to the booking page. On the booking page, you will see two panels. The one on the left is the interaction panel, and the one on the right is the map. On this map, the white circles are the station. When you hover your mouse on a station, will you see its name? The blue lines are the tracks connecting the station, and the red dots are the trains. In the interaction panel, there are two tabs, the Search tab and the Book tab. On the Search tab, you will see a list of trains with their status. It can be stopped or running or waiting for passenger loading. When you hover on the trains in the interaction panel, the map will also indicate by highlighting the trains but color it green. When you click on a train, for example TA05, you will see the list of stations that it will go along with their sequence number. Time in and time out means that when the train will arrive at the station and when it will leave the station. And again, when you hover on the list of stations, the map will indicate by highlighting the station. Next is the Book tab. This is where a user can book a ticket. First, you need to choose a starting station and a destination station. And then click on this button. You'll see the list of trains and there's time. Pick your favorite time and then enter the date. It cannot be before today. This must be today or the following dates. Enter your name, and your phone number, and finally press the book option. When you see this page, it means that your booking was successful, and you can verify your information by checking in the train ticket. The seat number and the coach number are generated on the server to make sure that your booking does not collide with anyone else. So this is the end of the tutorial on how to use the railway management system. Thank you for listening and see you next time on the presentation section.